Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn some ideas about numbers. And today, we will be talking about number names from 50 to 100. And here are some things to understand. First of all, what does number names mean? Number names are cardinal numbers from 50 to 100, written in words. Instead of writing the symbol 5 or 50, we write it in words. For example, 50 is FIFTY. And so to write numbers 50 to 100, we use the place value ones, tens, and hundreds. Uh oh, what does it mean then? What does place value mean? Let's try to find out. Numbers, you have to remember that have place values. It means that the position of each number tells us how much the number is below our first three place values from number 1. So 1, ones place, tens place, or hundreds place. For example, the number 65 has two place values. 6 is in the tens place, 5 is in the ones place. So 65 is 60 and 5. When we do this, we try to expand the number. Expanding the number? What does it mean? Okay, so let's expand numbers some more. To say and write number names, we need to expand the number. And to do that, we think of the place value of that number. So for example, we have 87 and it's 80 is in the tens place and 7 is in the ones place. So that's 87. And of course, if we have 3, only 3, then it will be under the ones place. If you have 102, so you have 100s in the hundreds place, and we don't have the tens place, so we will put 0 and number 2 in ones place. So that's 102. Knowing the place value of numbers and understanding how to expand them, now we are ready to write the number in words. So what do we do then? First, we write the number in expanded form. For example, 54 will be 50 plus 4. Then write the names of all the numbers given. 50 and 4 will be 54. We use a dash in between number names. Don't forget that. Aside from that, there are some spelling patterns that we can remember in writing number names. So, for 10, 11, and 12, let's remember that they are special numbers. But for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, all these numbers ends with teen or TEEN. But for 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, All these numbers ends with ty or t. See the small change in spelling? Here you have 3, 13, 30, 4, 14, and 40, 5, 15, and 50. But from 60 to 90, the numbers 6 to 9 are just copied and end in teen or t. So, for example, you have 4, 14, 40, 5, 15, 50, 6, 16, 60, 7, 17, 70, 8, 18, 80, 9, 19, 90. This time you have number chart from number 1 to 100. You can use this when you are practicing to understand what are the number names of these numbers. Okay, so it's time to practice and let's follow your class activities.